biggest guy in
the biggest guy in the group. Whoa. Very good. Hello, morning of day 4 in Namibia, and we are all packing down the camp here. And last night in the dark, the support team got this car driven out to the one that broke yesterday, and then they moved all of this metal work here onto this car from the other one and reloaded everything onto this truck. So we now have a new support truck, another Toyota Land Cruiser that hopefully will last for the rest of the trip. And then the other one got towed on a trailer back to the Toyota repair shop. But this is the beginning of the day, so look forward to see what's coming up. All right, we are ready to roll. Day 4 on our Namibia trip. All the guys are ready. I think the last 2 riding days mistakes of pulling out before everybody was started has been sorted out, so we are good to go. And we're going into the African Savanna today. We will go and see a natural arch in the rock formation not far from here. It's a little hike up for a little photo shoot, and then we'll do some jeep tracks. Whoa, there was a line right there. Then we will do some jeep tracks and to a little village behind the mountains over here, where we will, yeah, it's like a little shop, I guess, souvenirs and things. There's some of the local tribes men that live out here, and then we will make some more jeep tracks to the rhino concession or conservatory or whatever they call it, and hopefully we will spot some black rhinos today. And by the end of the day we will visit the Bushman community, and we've been promised that we can swim in a nice pond that they have out there, so that would be cool. I guess this is where the natural arch is at. It looks like there's a couple of tourists here other than us, but we're gonna get the entire group parking and then we're gonna walk up. I can see it up there behind the big rocks. Pretty cool rock formation actually, kind of big round boulders. There we go. We got everybody trying to climb up to the arch on different routes. Right here. S6E. Now we're heading out to a little local shop. I think they're gonna probably want to sell us some souvenirs. They are very poor, the tribes that live out here, and as you can see, there's almost no vegetation that I think humans can live from here. It's really, really dry cactus type of trees and bushes with huge spikes on them. So they've definitely adapted through evolution to not be eaten by the animals with the big spikes here. So we saw some rodents up on the rocks there before, but otherwise we don't see much animals here. We're getting into the little village here. Hello. to sell stuff here. We're stopping up here at one of the sheds. Hello! Hello! You speak English? Yes? What's your name? Fran? That's a very nice name. How old are you? 7 years old. You go to school? Yes? Why are you not in school today? It's Monday today? Or is on Monday you start again? Today is what, Friday? Tomorrow's Saturday. Sunday. So you're the day off today and tomorrow? You speak English as well? Yes? What's your name? Melissa? Felisa? Ah. Are you brother and sister? Yeah? Menissa. Friend. Friends. Whoa, watch your head, watch your head. So, this guy has a lot of old Volkswagen buses sitting around this compound here. Hello, how are you? Jewelry.
Yeah, it's like something. Yeah.
This is the school, and apparently there's a lot of corruption with this being a private lodge, and then they have like a chief that runs the village, and he gets the money from the state to build the school and the facilities, but it all gets filtered through his private account before it reaches anybody on the ground. So only a certain percentage of what was really set out for education and housing and so on reaches the actual people on the ground. So, I mean, that's not uncommon in third world countries. It's just a way of life. Check the school here with all the children. Well, kids are kids everywhere, always curious and interested in what's going on. Super sweet, and they actually speak very good English on top of the Afrikaans and then their native language. And I think I heard there's 48 different dialects or languages in Namibia. Beautiful savanna here. It's getting a lot greener now. And we're gonna be going on some fun jeep tracks today. The mountains you see in the horizon is where we're gonna end up for our second night of camping. I wouldn't even call that glamping because it's beautiful camp, portable kitchen, toilet facilities, hot shower, big tents that you can stand up in, real beds, that folding beds. So just awesome. All right, this is where we are supposed to be able to see some Bushman paintings on the walls, I believe, and also the black rhinos. Somewhere in here in these mountains is where the concession is. So that is definitely a highlight for me. And now we're getting into the park. And this is where there's a chance of seeing black rhinos. So gonna go slow and hopefully see rhinos somewhere here. Anything. Oh, antelopes. We're here in the park where the Bushmen have set up a little camp. It's one of the lodges, the concessions here that will allow Bushman families to come from where they originally live. Then they will take a handful of families in here so they get a chance to talk and sell material like handcraft and so on to the tourists that come here. And then every 3 months they do a rotation, and then it's a new family that comes. Hello.
Yeah, I will also let you say through our program, if you like to take some photos, you are welcome. Also some questions if you like to ask, you are welcome. Everything is Kaja. Kaja means good.
Hey.
Okay.
Can I ask a question? Can we try and have Todd stand next to you to see the height difference?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, Todd.
The biggest guy in
The biggest guy in the group. Ooh.
Nicely done. Next time you have the group, go 3, 2, 1, and you don't jump. That's what he said. He warned us not to do it.
Let me get the... Yeah, I got you. You got it out? Did you twist it?
A little bit.
Need a hand?
Give me a minute.
Okay, I'll move the bike up here so you can get some space.